Hi, we are asked to find the value of x for x factorial equal to s cubed minus x. So we are given s factorial equal to s cubed minus x. From the knowledge of factorial, we have that n factorial will be equal to n multiplied by n minus 1 multiplied by n minus 2 and multiplied by n minus 3 and so on. So therefore, if we consider x factorial, we have that this becomes x minus 1 x minus 2 factorial. Hence, our equation becomes x bracket x minus 1 multiplied by x minus 2 factorial equal to s cubed minus x. But we can factorize our right hand side. So our equation becomes x minus 1 multiplied by x minus 2 factorial equal to x, opening a bracket, s squared minus 1. Now, note that s squared minus 1 is also giving us s squared minus 1 squared. And this we know is difference of 2 squared. So therefore, this can be expressed as x plus 1 multiplied by x minus 1. So therefore, we can now have that in our right hand side, our equation becomes x minus 1 multiplied by x minus 2 factorial equal to x, open up your bracket, x plus 1 multiplied by x minus 1. Now, x can cancel out x, and x minus 1 can cancel out x minus 1. Now, we are left with x minus 2 factorial equal to x plus 1. Now, we can make some simple substitution. We say, let y be equal to x minus 2. So therefore, x becomes y plus 2. Permit me to call here equation A and here equation B. And also, let's call here equation 1. So from equation 1, we can have that y factorial is equal to s plus 1. Note that y is equal to x minus 2. So therefore, y factorial is equal to x plus 1. But we said that s is equal to y plus 2. So therefore, y factorial is equal to y plus 2 plus 1. Y factorial is equal to y plus 3. Thus, our equation becomes y, bracket open, y minus 1 factorial equal to y plus 3. We can move y to the left hand side. Our equation becomes y, open a bracket, y minus 1 factorial minus y equal to 3. By factorizing, our equation becomes y, open your bracket, y minus 1 factorial minus 1 equal to 3. If we divide both sides by y, we obtain that y minus 1 factorial minus 1 is equal to 3 divided by y. So therefore, y minus 1 factorial is equal to 3 divided by y plus 1. Let's go here, equation 2. Now, from equation 2, it is true that y will be greater than or equal to 1. So therefore, for y equal to 1, we have that 1 minus 1 factorial equal to 3 divided by 1 plus 1. This will be 0 factorial equal to 4. But 0 factorial is equal to 1. It can be seen that the value of y is not equal to 1. Hence, this is not our solution. Again, if we say that for y equal to 2, our equation becomes 2 minus 1 factorial equal to 3 divided by 2 plus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1, so we have 1 factorial equal to 3 divided by 2 plus 1. And we have 1 factorial equal to 5 divided by 2. Thus, 1 factorial is not equal to 5 divided by 2, so therefore the value of y is not equal to 2. Now, for y equal to 3, we have that 3 minus 1 factorial is equal to 3 divided by 3 plus 1. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2, thus 2 factorial equal to 3 divided by 3 plus 1 is giving us 2. So we know that 2 factorial is equal to 2 times 1, which is equal to 2. So therefore, 2 is equal to 2. Thus, y equal to 3 satisfies equation 2. But recall that x is equal to y plus 2. X will be equal to 3 plus 2 since our value of y is equal to 3. So s is equal to 5.